Hi, thanks for singing with me.
Okay.
Let's do this.
And
I'm nearing the end of my 4th year. I feel like I've been lacking, crying too many tears. Everyone seemed to say it was so great, but did I miss out? Was it a huge mistake?
I can handle the pace I like to be alone. It makes some kind of sound, but that's just what I seem to know. I can handle things who's really bad, yeah. And I can never seem to try and ask for help.
I'm sitting here, crying in my prom dress. I'd be the prom queen if crying was a contest.
Makeup is running down,
Feelings are all around.
Oh, I didn't realize it, I know.
I guess I maybe had a couple expectations. Thought I'd get to them, but no I didn't. I guess I thought that prom was gonna be fun, but now I'm sitting on the floor and all I wanna do is run.
I keep collection of my poop on my wall to try and stop my sleep for primary playing now. I think of that is the last thing in how I do. I keep to myself, look, I want to break through.
I hold so many small regrets, and what is down inside my head. Some confidence, it couldn't hurt me. My demeanor is often misread. I'm sitting here, crying in my prom dress. I'd be the prom queen if crying was a contest. Makeup is running down, feelings are all around. How did I get here? I need to know. I guess I maybe had a couple expectations. Thought I'd get to them, but no I didn't. I guess I thought that prom was gonna be fun, but now I'm sitting on the floor and all I wanna do is run. 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 I'm sitting here, crying in my prom dress. I'd be the prom queen if crying was a contest. Makeup is running down, feelings are all around. How did I get here? I need to know. I guess I maybe had a couple expectations. Thought I'd get to them, but no I didn't. I guess I thought that prom was gonna be fun, but now I'm sitting on the floor and all I wanna do is run. All I wanna do is run.